Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always watching my videos. Yes, welcome to yet another episode of today's cooking from Mama Double N. Thank you always for watching. Yes, I'm going to show you a quick video, a quick way of how I prepare this okra or okra soup. Trust me, you are going to love it, and it is very easy to prepare. Don't go nowhere and watch till the end. And so guys, as you can see, I have my okra already grated with my food processor. I have my pepper and tomatoes there. I have my already cooked fish and meat as well. I have one Maggi cube. My palm oil is there as well. So right now I'm going to start frying the okra. Okay, so now I'm going to add my oil to the pot and let it hot a little, and after that I'm going to add my salt to it, and after adding the salt I'm going to put my onions and let it fry for a while, and after that I'm going to pour in my dried grated crayfish. Okay, yes, you just have to put it like this on the oil, like turn it for like some seconds. Okay, don't let it fry too much, just fry it for like 20 to 25 seconds so that you get that taste, that aroma in the okra. Okay, yes, so and after doing that I'm going to add my blended tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, and after that I'm going to turn everything together and add a little amount of water to let it cook. Okay, yes guys, that's that. And after turning it, I'm going to add my Maggi cube, my one Maggi cube to the pot, and after that I'm going to turn it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes guys. Okay, yes, so now I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it has cooked, and now I'm going to stir everything together or turn together and add my okra. So now my okra is going to come in, and I'm going to add some water to it because I don't like my okra to be too thick. Okay guys, yes, and we all know that okra is very rich for us. It's very good for the body. It has a lot of healthy benefits for us. Okay, and guys, yes, I'm going to add another amount of water to it to let it cook properly. Yes, I love okra soup very much. It is one of my favorite soup, and I love eating it with any swallow, like amala, with pounded yam, with what else, and yeah, with katofi puree as well. Yes guys, so now I'm going to add my pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu leaf, to the pot, to the okra. Now I'm going to stir everything together and let it cook. Remember, we don't have to let the ugu leaf to be too cooked, okay, so that it will not lose all its nutrients. Okay, yes, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it because I tasted it and the salt was not enough. So now I'm going to add my already cooked meat and fish to the pot, and the other one as well, like the fish too. I'm going to put everything together and then stir together. Guys, as you can see, we are almost coming to the end of the video. I'm going to let this okra cook again for like 5 minutes, and then the food is ready. Yeah, remember, we don't have to let the okra to be too cooked, and the ugu leaf as well. Yes, we just have to let it be on the normal side, like don't let it be too cooked so that you have all the nutrients in it. Okay, and guys, like I said before, my okra is almost ready. Take a look at this, and don't wonder, don't panic about the color. Okay, the color, like the redness of the oil, is not coming out too much because of the pumpkin leaf, the ugu leaf that I added to the soup. That's why it's like this. But trust me, this soup is everything. It is delicious, and really I really love it. Yes guys, that's it. My soup is ready. My okra soup is ready. Take a look at this. Doesn't this look so delicious? Of course, I'm going to eat it with my amala. Yes guys, that's how I prepare this delicious okra looking soup. I know that you really enjoyed watching, and please, if you really like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please help me to share it with your friends and loved ones, and please don't forget to also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you all. And yes guys, this is what I'm going to get my soup down with. I'm going to use this amala to like download the okra soup, you know now. Yes guys, and you all know that amala is also very healthy for our body. Yes guys, that's it, and my kids really love this food as well. We really enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share and like my videos. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye bye.